Hello everyone. In this video, we'll learn about Data Cloud's newest capability, Document AI, that will help you extract data from an unstructured document, whether it could be a file or a PDF document. Let's see how it works. In order to use Document AI, let's go into unstructured data and create a new schema configuration file. You can create a new schema configuration either from a source object using a UDMO which already has a list of document, or you can go ahead and create it without using a source object. This is an easier option, so let's explore how it works. You can further go ahead and choose the LLM models, either OpenAI or Gemini, and further upload your files that needs to be processed. I have selected a simple internet file here, internet bill, that I want to be processed. Further, you can go ahead and create the fields manually, or you can use the auto extraction feature to extract the fields from the document. This is taking some time and extracting the fields for you and creating schema in the backend. Once it is done, you can go ahead and check out all the fields and further add a new field if that is required. Otherwise, you can go ahead and create a new table as well. Once you have validated all the fields, you can go ahead and test out the schema configuration. Here, the document AI is mapping your fields against your document, and as you can see, we have got the output. So, all the fields have been extracted and have been mapped to the fields from the schema configuration. Once it is validated, you can go ahead and save the schema configuration by giving it a name, Internet Invoice, and your schema is configured and ready to be used. Further, you can go ahead and use the schema from your Apex classes, from flows, via APIs, and further extend it with Agentforce. Thank you so much for watching.